Rainforest Cafe and we're gonna eat here. We're gonna check around the gift shop while we were waiting for our table. But this is the Rainforest Cafe and we're here in Nashville, Tennessee. Let's look around. They've got awesome animatronics, like the snake right there. Then they've got a pen engraving. So, oh look, this little cute rainbow frog right here. It's $15.99.
Hello everybody, I'm Tracy Tree. Rainforests are home to people too. One of the best known tribes in Africa is the Pygmies. They are small people, rarely over 4 feet tall. They live on different types of animals, but also collect fruit, honey, eggs, snails, termites, and caterpillars for food. The women collect nuts, roots, and wild mushrooms.
Look here. Look, see? Fish can swim for the tank by that right there. That's the tank. There's Tim right up here. We're ready for our table. Let's go to it.
Midnight? She's really pretty. Have you guys ever been here before?
Yes, ma'am.
And then just a reminder that the restroom is over here on your right. The animals are going to move at your 10 to 15. There's going to be a thunderstorm after 30.
Ooh, we got the best table.
Where we walk around the elevator.
Yay, thank you so much.
Owie got pizza and fruit. Daddy got fish and chips. And Mommy got shrimp tacos. Let's eat. Good. It's good. Now I'm gonna try the applesauce. Just gotta get this last bit off, and now it's time to try. Okay.
What?
The shrimp tacos are delicious. They have crunchy shrimp and pico and red slaw and black beans. Very, very good. How is the fish?
Good.
Nice and crunchy?
Yes.
Mine's delicious. It tastes kind of like Gondolier's breadsticks and Gondolier's pizza. If you've ever had Gondolier, it's delicious. Now the applesauce tastes more like regular applesauce. That's basically what it is. Delicious. Tennessee. Make sure to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button to make some new friends. Team Kit reporting.